These containers are perfect for meal prepping this stuff. Links to these and the other products in this video can be found in the description below. To make the peanut butter version of this high protein snack, I start out with a product most gym rats like myself are sure to have: peanut butter powder. This kind is my favorite, 2 scoops or 24 grams. Consisting purely of defatted peanuts, this stuff is going to need some salt, just a pinch. A bit of honey. I find that 10 grams adds just the right amount of sweetness, but you can add more if you prefer. Recipe and macros are in the description below. Water. I find that 33 grams gives this a rather thick consistency, and I like that, but sometimes I want a thinner mix, and so just use a bit more. Mix, 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 and now for the protein. Whey. This stuff is my preferred. It's unflavored whey concentrate. It took me a while to find a brand I felt like I could trust not to have questionable ingredients and manufacturing processes. Again, links below. Instead, you can use isolate, a more isolated or pure form of whey protein. It doesn't really matter. Use what you've got. I keep the protein powder in one of my old PB powder containers for convenient storage. 1 scoop or 25 grams of that. And mix. This much whey concentrate equates to roughly 21 grams of protein just on its own. Other brands may vary. Do with this info what you will. As of right now, the batter, if you will, looks a little coarse. If that bothers you, letting this stuff sit for 10 or so minutes gives the whey enough time to fully hydrate and make it all smooth. That's not a problem for me normally, as I often meal prep these snacks a day or two in advance and stow them in the fridge. That ooey gooey stuff right there has 35 grams of protein and 227 calories. Chocolate brownie batter. A lighter, yet even tastier high-protein snack starts with the same base ingredients. 1 scoop, or roughly 12 grams of peanut butter powder. Cocoa powder. I use the unsweetened kind. Just 5 grams, or roughly 1 tablespoon of this is all I need. Of course, that was the last of my cocoa powder, and I wasn't recording me adding that, a pinch of salt, and the same 33 grams of water to the mix. But I think you get the idea. And stir. Now to add some sweetness to the mix, 15 grams of honey. I use a bit more than in the last recipe to help offset the bitterness of the raw cocoa. Totally optional, but if you want to take this a step further, vanilla extract or even peppermint extract. The peppermint pairs well with the chocolate, but I'm going to keep it simple today with a bit of vanilla. Probably about a half a teaspoon. Bear in mind that the extra honey and the extract will add more moisture to the mix, resulting in a runnier end product. I just use less water at the start if I want this as thick as the peanut butter stuff. Again, I use the same amount of whey, 25 grams, and mix. And again, letting this sit for a bit will smooth out the consistency. 28 grams of protein, 202 calories. Enjoy these on the spot, a little peanut butter chocolate combo action, or stow them away for tasty pre or post workout snacks.